how to apply at Macy's or how to get hired at Macy's. I'm going to tell you how to apply at Macy's and land that job. Step 1. Head to Macy's career website. You'll find it at macyscareers.com. Browse through the available positions by location, department, or job type. Choose the role that's right for you. Macy's offer a wide range of jobs from retail associates to corporate roles. Fill out the online application. Be sure to include your resume and any relevant experience. Don't forget to answer the questions thoughtfully. If your application is selected, make a great impression by being prepared, friendly, and confident.